Hey traders, welcome back. As I told you in my previous analysis of Bitcoin on 1 hour time frame, we had this support for the price and also this trend line. As I told you, with the break of that to the upside and close a candle in 1 hour time frame, we can risk on that an enter buy position here, set our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price goes up and gives us more than our risk to reward 2. And right now on the daily time frame, if we check that, actually let's check for our time frame first. We have another trend line here like this, with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on that, okay, and the price broke this trend line to the upside on 4 hour time frame. Okay, the first confirmation, we have the 4 hour time frame breakout to the upside, but the second confirmation is gonna be our daily candle closing like this, okay, out of this trend line to the upside. And for that we should wait for something like 6 hours and 40 minutes, okay. If this candle can close like this after the time I said, then we can actually imagine higher prices for Bitcoin, and which is really fantastic. Lots of people have, Bitcoin, and they want to actually they lost some money, but it's okay. I believe it can go up if this trend line can be broken on daily time frame. The next resistance in front of the price gonna be this resistance here. If we check the weekly time frame, gonna be this resistance here, the level of $32,500 to actually $33,000, okay. This level is the next resistance in front of the price, and if the price can break that trend line on daily time frame and the price can go higher, and the upper can touch this resistance, then if we see some nice candles on that, like a pin bar candle or actually a engulfing candle like this red candle here, then we can enter sell position on that and risk on that, actually set our stop loss and get our reward. But in lower time frames, let's check like 15-minute time frame to see if we have anything or not. We can actually imagine a trend line like this too in the 15-minute time frame, with the break of this to the upside. I am not looking for sell positions here. We can have this trend line here connecting this one to this one, but the trend is really uptrend, and it's really dangerous to enter sell positions here. I'm just waiting for this trend line to be broken to the upside, then we can enter buy position on 15-minute time frame. But let's check 5-minute time frame to see what is going on there. We can actually have a trend line like this. Yeah, in 5-minute time frame, with the break of this to the downside, we can risk on that, because that uptrend is for the bigger time frames, like 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. But in 5-minute time frame, you can see the market is getting ranged, okay, and we can actually enter sell position on 5-minute time frame here with the break of this trend line. Yeah, it was all about today's analysis of Bitcoin. Let's move to the next part, the education part, and also see the yesterday's positions on Bitcoin too. Guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto and forex analysis, and also don't forget to leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the future of Bitcoin in the upcoming days. And also, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. As you can see here, we are on the Bitcoin chart, and it is 5-minute time frame. On the first position, we have this trend line with 2 touches on that. This candle broke this trend line to the downside. We could risk here and enter sell position, set our stop loss above the candle, and look for our risk to reward 2, which the price gives us something around 2.5 somewhere here, okay. But also we had a support here like this one. The price was falling and touches a level and starts going up. Okay, so this support is more important than this support here, you know. We have actually several touches on this one here, one touch and it started going up, and another touch here, and we have a pin bar which the price didn't go up, you know. Come on, this support is not true. This support is better than the other supports, and also this support here, if we draw that, okay, and if we see some nice candles on that support, we can risk on that and enter buy position too. You can see some rejections from this support in the future. The price was falling and touches this level and makes a candle like this. We could enter for 1-1 positions, I mean risk to reward 1, also here too, and also here, and make trades with that. But also we had this trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches on that. Let me clean it. With the break of this here, we could enter sell position, set our stop loss above the candle, and get our reward if you have missed that trade here. On the second position, we did have this trend line. Also, let me tell you this one first. We have another support here. The price was falling and touches a level and starts going up. Okay, so this is a nice support for the price. We draw this support. In the future, the price reacts to this level just a bit, you know, higher than that. You know, it doesn't touch that exactly, and it is actually a, you know, a negative point for this position. You know, the position must touch this support area, then get rejected from that. Okay, but the pin bar changes everything. And also this trend line here, which it was like this, we connect this one to this one and it gives us here, when we see these shadows here, we extend the trend line like this. It was broken somewhere here, so we could risk here and enter buy position, set our stop loss below this candle. It's actually, you know, some safe positions like this are actually, we have this support and also trend line. Okay, two confirmations for that, two signals to enter buy position. So we entered and we did set our stop loss, and it gave us a reward of something around risk to reward 4 on these shadows here. If we have missed this position here, we had the chance to enter buy position with the break of these trend lines to the upside too. On the last position, we did have this compression here. It's actually a position for the 1 minute time frame, but it's okay to enter in 5 minute time frame too. As you can see, the price was going up and makes a correction like this, so we know that the trend is gonna be uptrend. So this is a correction. We are just waiting for a small breakout to the upside. Okay, and when it happens, we enter buy position, set our stop loss, and you know, the market continues its actually trend and goes up, and it gives us a reward of something around 10. And as always, I should tell you that it doesn't mean that we should take that all risk to reward 10. Some people close it on risk to reward 8, some people close it on 6, 5, 2. It depends on the person, okay, and the emotions in that time when the position is open. It was all about today's analysis and the education part. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment and tell me anything you like about trading, and if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you, bye bye.